In this channel, we do math for fun.
99% of people can't solve this problem. Are you part of the 1% that can? The problem says, find the number of permutations x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, such that the sum of the five products x1 times x2 times x3 plus x2 times x3 times x4 plus x3 times x4 times x5 plus x4 times x5 times x1 plus x5 times x1 times x2 is divisible by 3. First, we see that there's cyclic symmetry here. So meaning that if you plug in x3 equals 3, or x2 equals 3, or x1 equals 3, or x4 equals 3, or x5 equals 3, the number of permutations that you can make of x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remains the same. So we can just let one of them be equal to 3, like x3 be equal to 3, and multiply the result by 5. Since any of the x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 can be 3. If we let x3 be 3, that means we can factor this high expression to be x3 times x1 times x2 plus x2 times x4 plus x4 times x5 plus x1 times x5 times x2 plus x4. This entire thing is already divisible by 3, so you don't need to worry about that. We just need to make sure this is divisible by 3, the second part. How do you know the second part is divisible by 3? Well, we know that x1 and x5 are not divisible by 3. So x2 plus x4 must be 0 mod 3. So how many ways can x2 plus x4 be divisible by 3? Well, to find out the number of ways that x2 plus x4 can be 0 mod 3, or divisible by 3, we need to first convert 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 all into mod 3s. So 1 is 1 mod 3, 2 is negative 1 mod 3, 3 is 0 mod 3, but we don't need to worry about 3 since 3 is already used. So don't worry about this. And 4 is 1 mod 3, and 5 is negative 1 mod 3. So if we want to have x2 plus x4 to be 0 mod 3, then x2 could be 1 mod 3, and x1 mod 3, and x4 could be negative 1 mod 3, or x2 could be negative 1 mod 3, and x4 could be 1 mod 3. In this case, the first case, there are 2 options for x2 and 2 options for x4. In the second case, there are 2 options for x2 and 2 options for x4. So there are 8 total cases for x2 and x4. However, x1 and x5 can be anything else. So there's, after you take one away for x2 and one away for x4, there's still 2 more options left, meaning that there are 16 total ways for this sum to be divisible by 3 if x3 is equal to 3. So we just multiply the entire thing by 5, and 16 times 5 is 80. So 80 is our final answer.
Please make sure to subscribe, share, and like this video, as well as turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!